What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to Watch This TV, and we're here at Greenmount Bowl in Hampstead, Maryland here, and we're gonna give it a little review. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Watch This TV. Do your man face. Do it all the same.
Why not?
I know it's my name, but geez.
Yeah.
So you look at it right here. Good job. Good job.
I already know I got that. What's happening this time, baby?
I don't know. I did so much better last time.
Alright, you're good. Just like that.
About time.
Nice.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh, you're good. You're good. Boo. Yeah, I thought I was gonna knock it over. That's all. Or I thought I was just gonna move it over. I'm getting a couple spares. I don't get any strikes yet. I'm getting kind of hungry. Might have to do a little food review here pretty soon. Okay, we got one more left. Doing a little better than Danny this time, huh? What do you have to say? Yes.
Nothing. You didn't film last time. That's what's up.
Good game. What a waste. Wow. What a waste. What a darn waste. Oh well. Gutter ball, yeah. So this is the final score. Let's see. What the final score of the new game is. The first game. So that's the final score of the first game.
I don't know.
And we'll bring him down to you. Like, we'll see you in the food, we'll bring to you.
Okay.
$4.35.
Cam, you know I always get a Corona. So we got our food in. What'd you get?
Cheeseburger sub. I need ketchup.
And I got the chicken tenders. We're gonna give them a go here. Pretty good looking pieces. I don't know. They're kind of small. Got the honey mustard.
Well, your honey mustard tells where all their food comes from.
Never heard of it.
PFG.
Oh,
That's their brand.
tastes pretty damn good.
I figured that out from the Salvation Army.
These?
Yeah, they had a bunch of that, and I asked where they came from. She told me. PFG drops off stuff every so often.
Oh yeah, I know. That's where all the food comes from. All of it. Because if you haven't noticed, the food at the Salvation Army is the same as lunch food at schools.
Basically, yeah.
I'll give Greenmount Bowling's chicken tenders a good
2.
no, 7 out of 10. Not bad at all. Just realized we're sitting right in front of the bathroom, so every time they open the door, the camera's like, hello.
I don't know why your drink's all the way over there.
Oh yeah. What do you think about yours?
6 out of 10. It's okay.
6 out of 10.
It's just like bowling alley food.
It's bowling
not
alley
too
food.
good.
Not the best, but it's not bad. Yeah, I give it a 7. Solid 7. Cutting us off at 2:30, aren't they?
I don't know.
Bro,
Is that your dinner for the night then?
no. It's my lunch dinner. What do you call that?
What? Lunch dinner?
Yeah. It ain't brunch. I'm digging this honey mustard, I'll tell you that right now. PFG got it going on.
Yeah.
Alright you guys, that does it for Greenmount Bowl. We tried the food, we tried the bowling, we got a little bit left of the game. We're gonna finish it up off camera. Anyway, you guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're trying to make it up there, guys. It helps out with the channel, everything else. Alright guys, peace till next time.